Hello friends, welcome to ElectroPixels. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notification.
Welcome friends. This is a Sony 28-inch LED TV. In this TV the complaint is TV restarts 3 times then goes to red light 6 times blinking. Mostly the 6 times blinking is mainly because of backlight related faults. So first we need to check the backlights. Here we now open the back cover and panel frame. See, the backlight reflectors are already fall down. So let's replace it with new set of LED backlights. See, finally work is done. Now let's connect all sockets back to TV. Finally here you can see picture comes and the TV back to working. Now the 6 times blinking is solved successfully. So that's it. Hope you like this video. See you in another video with another interesting topics. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notifications. Thank you for watching.